As long as my bun and my edges was good, girl, you wasn't telling me nothing. What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. And in today's video, you guys, we're gonna be doing this really easy, simple, fresh back to school makeup look. You guys, when I was in high school, I really did not even go crazy with the makeup. I didn't even know what half of the stuff that we have now. So I was trying to do a realistic, legit, like if you're waking up at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, what would you actually do to your face to get out and get ready to go to school? And yeah, you guys, this is legit what I lived in when I was in high school. Simple makeup, a little bit of mascara, probably a little bit of lip product, and a high bun, and my edges slayed, okay? So anyway, comment down below what grade you're gonna be going to and what is your favorite and least favorite thing about going back to school. I want to know what grade my prima donnas are going to and what age group y'all kind of in, so make sure you comment down below. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to be down with the prima donna nation. And yeah, let me just shut up now so that way you guys can see how I slay this face for back to school. And I love you all, and until next time, bye. Okay, you guys, so starting off bare face, and I want to hurry up and jump into this because this is kind of like my go on the go makeup look, and obviously a school look is on the go, so we need to hurry up. But I got time in the morning to be layering and caking up the face, but I mean on Fridays, if you want to wake up a little early, then do so. But on a day-to-day basis, you guys, I want to show you what is like my easiest, simple, go-to, natural, so that way you still look good, but you know, easy makeup look that we all could do. I just want to like even out my skin tone, but I don't want to feel like I have anything on. So for that, I am going to be using the Derma Blend. This is the Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments, and it looks like this. So shout out to Derma Blend for actually partnering with me for this video. So yeah, one thing that I really love about this product is that it is pigment drops. So being that you can control how much coverage you want. You can put a little bit if you want light coverage, or you can put a lot if you want full coverage. So I'm actually gonna be mixing it in with some of my moisturizer. You can take any moisturizer of your choice. I wouldn't use like a gel or anything that has too much oil in it because you don't want to break up the foundation. This foundation on its own is already lightweight, which I really like. Like, it doesn't even feel like you have anything on your skin, even when you're using the drops right out of the tube. Putting a few drops in like that, and then I'm gonna be mixing it in, probably thinking that it's not gonna have enough coverage, but these pigment drops, girl, they plays no games, honey. I'm just gonna be literally taking this whole freaking thing and rubbing it into my skin like lotion. Legit, I don't have time to be putting it on like regular foundation, or legit putting it on, and then I'm just gonna blend it in because it does have that moisturizer, so it is gonna blend into the skin really nicely. I'm just gonna blend right down my neck. And do you guys see this coverage? Like, this is so natural looking. So now I'm just gonna cover up the under eye with a little bit of concealer because girl, these eye bags is not cute. So now I'm just gonna cover up the under eye with a little bit of concealer. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit. Actually gonna blend this out with a brush because usually when I'm trying to like legit run out the door, I do not have time to be wetting my beauty blender. So, or I always forget to be honest. Brush is kind of like a beauty blender, but on a stick. This is the Morphe G2 brush. As you guys can see, I'm not really like covering up the darkness on my eyelids, only because like I said, I don't really want to look like I'm wearing makeup. So the darkness on my eyelids actually give a little bit of depth to the eyes. So I leave it as is, to be honest. Keep it moving. So anyway, now I have my face all nice and flawless. Now I'm going to be taking my loose setting powder. This is the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. Love this translucent powder so much, you guys. This is definitely one of like my holy grails in my makeup routine. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely try it out. It is like bomb. Like, I like it honestly better than the Laura Mercier one. Well, girl, And I'm just gonna set all the places that I have the concealer of the translucent powder again, just on a small little brush, not too much, and I'm just gonna press right over my face, just so that way this also sets it in place, because I'm trying to use minimal product as I can. And you're trying to jumble through all your makeup drawers, trying to find one freaking powder, girl. So I'm gonna use this to also set the whole entire face in place. Boom. Now you're probably wondering like, oh my god, Leslie, you did not start this video with your eyebrows on. I just wanted to do my eyebrows on camera to show you that I can get them done in like 2.5 seconds if I really wanted to. So my go-to eyebrow product, and I just bought a new one, is my Anastasia Brow Definer. I'm in the shade dark brown. You just do little strokes just to create like hair-like type of motion, just to like thicken up the brow. But once again, I'm not trying to like define it too much, because I'm not trying to do nobody's Instagram brows right now. I'm just trying to get brows on so I don't look crazy. Guys, so now that the brows are on, now I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer, nothing really too crazy, and just clean them up a little bit, because I usually do this because I'm like 9 times out of 10 messing up my brows because I'm rushing. Also just adds a little highlight to the brow. So, but I don't like conceal the whole entire brow, because I do kind of like, you know, like the darkness a little bit. Okay, boom. So then I just blend the rest of it out. Just to set that concealer, I'll just take whatever powder brush, boom, just to set whatever I had on, and I'm done. Let's just take a little bit of my bronzer, and I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and just work a little bit right on in there, just to add some warmth. In this look, I'm not gonna be doing false eyelashes, just because when I was in high school, you guys, I did not, okay? I did not care enough to impress people to glue on fucking lashes at 6 in the morning. I'm sorry, but no. So maybe on Friday, because I wanted to hang out after school, so I would go to school kind of like looking really cute. But Monday through Friday, bitch, no. So I'm just gonna be taking a little bit of mascara, but of course, if you wanna pop on some falsies, then go ahead and do that. But another thing I recommend, if you do not wear like eyeliner or like heavy makeup, I would actually consider getting eyelash extensions for going back to school, just so that way you can wake up and have, you know, your eyelashes popping or whatever. Now that my lashes are actually existent, okay, nobody's about to try me today. Now I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Okay. Oh, and I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and Give Me Sun. We're not doing no blush or anything crazy. I don't have time to look for all of those products usually when I'm trying to be out of the door. So anyway, last for the skin is gonna be some highlighter. I'm gonna be using my everyday highlighter. This is the Ofra Rodeo Drive. I absolutely love this. A good alternative for a drugstore highlight is the Maybelline Master Chrome. And now to finish off with the lips, usually when I am doing like a super natural makeup look like this, where it's just really just skin is the focus, I don't really like to put on a really bold lipstick, so I either opt for my go-to nude lipstick, or I will opt for just a gloss. So I just picked up this gloss. This is the Anastasia Stellar gloss. This gloss is beautiful. So this is the gloss. It's just like a really pretty nude. I really like it. It's super simple, super easy, effortless, and it's just like a no makeup kind of makeup slay. So now I'm just gonna lock it in, of course, with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. A lot of people were asking me when I posted it on my Instagram what are my thoughts on it, and I'm obsessed, you guys, obsessed. I am gonna really quickly show you my go-to lip if you guys are not a fan of the gloss. The liner, as you guys can see, it is small, girl, because time, you guys, this is the NYX Neutral Liner. Like, I'm about to struggle right now. Okay. And then I will fill in my whole entire lip. And 9 times out of 10, you guys, I would actually just fill in my whole entire lips with the liner and actually wear the liner as a lipstick color. Then I'll just take a little bit of my lip balm and then just pop it right into the center, just so my lips don't feel dry. So as you guys can see, the skin looks gorgeous. It was so easy. Literally, we used our hands, you guys. Like, come on. We all can do it. I hope you guys did enjoy this back to school video. Thank you all for watching, and good luck going back to school. You guys know I love you all. You guys better kill this semester. Prima donnas better show out for the first day of school. Okay, and until next time, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.